This is my horse named Dancer. See? Him is my pony. Now, up to me. Chickens. Chicken. The next quarter. Bonbon. We can take a lovely picture of them. See? On my short way to go to Klingo is that way. Not that way. Klingo, show your paws, please. Put this up, please. There you are. Here, look, there's Klingo. Next, cinnamon stick. Capucho. Oh, these ones I can take good pictures of because they can jump right out their cage. Easily. Stop stepping on.